Happy Friday! It's Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute. It's Friday, June 5th, 2020. Since my last Friday report, we have seen an increase in new listings, under contracts, pendings, and closed sales. There are currently 822 listings coming soon, 1,941 new actives, 949 went under contract, 1,594 new pendings, 1,701 just closed. Important to note, many sellers have not yet returned to the market since changing their status to temp off during COVID. There are currently 1,710 listings that are temporarily off. That means that these are sellers who are active and want to sell, but for some reason are not allowing showings yet. These are also listings that buyers will not know of unless they are working with a real estate professional. That's your report for today, Friday, June 5th, 2020. Be sure to like, subscribe, share to get all the updates regarding the Maryland Market Minute. If you are a tenant or landlord, be sure to check out our Maryland Rental Market Report. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Have a super weekend.